You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Greek hero of the Trojan War for more confusing vocabulary and names from Greek and mythology in particular. Make sure to stay tuned. The English pronunciation here, the way you would say it in English, is as Diomedes. Not D, alright? It's not D-O, it's Dio. Dio, me, a long E sound, D's. Diomedes, the stress on the me syllable, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.